Good evening to all of you. Today's topic of discussion is catchment area analysis of Tarafeni River based on morphometric characteristics. So, the word catchment area, river basin or drainage basin, though seems to be very much similar, but there are some minute variation. Overall, catchment area or drainage basin is a surface area of the land where the water from rainfall, snowmelt or ice flow into lower elevation to form a single body of water. That may be a lake or a river. In general, river basin is considered as the fundamental unit of fluvial geomorphology. A river basin always represents an area drained by mainstream and its tributaries. It represents a set of networks, and these networks are the combination of two aspects. One is topological and the second one is geometrical, that include shape, length, area and relief. And the morphometric characteristics are actually the analysis of shape of the river basin, and the morphometry includes the analysis of quantitative and qualitative variables. The quantitative variables are linear aspect, aerial aspects and relief aspects of the basin, where qualitative variables include geology, structure, soil type, vegetation, landform and so on of the river basin. The linear aspect, that is known to be one-dimensional in nature, includes stream ordering, stream length, mean stream length ratio and the bifurcation ratio, where the aerial aspect include the shape of the basin, drainage density, stream frequency, Horton's form factor or the circularity ratio as propounded by P.C. Miller. And the relief aspect, that is three-dimensional in nature, includes relative relief, relief ratio, ruggedness number and dissection index. So a systematic and quantitative nature can help largely to assess the hydrological behavior of the basin. And so the Tarafeni river basin is of great importance in this setting, and the thinking of all these in mind, the study concentrate on mainly to find out the geomorphic characteristics and to quantify different attributes of the Tarafeni river. And secondly, to analyze the morphometric parameters of the basin. The methodology here followed that network delineation, the measurement, variable analysis, etc. For this, Survey of India topo sheet with 1:50,000 scale has been taken into consideration. Digital elevation model has been prepared. TNT MIP software has been used, and the Strahler method has been utilized for stream ordering techniques, and the Cartoshet 1, DEM data and GIS techniques are very helpful in this case to understand the relief, slope and the flow direction. And different quantitative attributes have been analyzed based on the morphometric techniques. So the Tarafeni basin, with a basin area of 529.05 square kilometer and with a perimeter of 1268.71 kilometer, usually lies in the Jhargram district of West Bengal, and here is the Tarafeni river basin. So it actually is very much necessary to understand the distinctive settings for the to get an idea of the quantitative approach of the river basin or the catchment area. So whenever the discussion is on linear aspect, it includes several parameters, that is different stream order and the number of streams simultaneously. There is a 239 first order stream, 68 second order stream, 14 third order stream, number 4 fourth order stream and 1 fifth order stream. So the main river Tarafeni is a fifth order stream. According to the law of stream numbers, it has been shown that the relationship shows a negative relationship, and because number of stream decreases to higher orders, causing a negative functional relationship. And the relationship between stream order and mean length also shows a positive relationship, that is that mean length increases with increasing the order of the stream. And in this map, the stream ordering has been done following Strahler method. The second, the aerial aspect has been highlighted here. The different aerial aspects. So there is a mean basin area is increases with increasing the successive higher order. It is also propounded by Hawthorne, and the different order stream, the relative relief of the first order stream is 11.74 meter, that is obviously mean in nature. The drainage density has been calculated with relief ratio, circularity ratio, and the elongation ratio has been calculated also. The circularity ratio of first order, second order, third order, and fourth order basin has been calculated, and the drainage density of both the first order basin, second order basin, and third order and fourth order also shows a distinctive feature. And the relief aspect includes the different altitudinal zones of the basin, and it shows that near the confluence area there is the lower elevation, that is from 53 to 78 meter ranges near the confluence zone, where it falls into the river Kamshaboti, that is the mainstream, and it is a fifth order tributary. And then the maximum elevation is observed in the source area, that is surrounding the first order basin, and from there that is 280 to 300 meter approximately, and from there the elevation gradually decline to southeast direction. The slope map of the basin also shows the more or less similar trend. It shows that 0 to 1 degrees slope near the confluence area, but near the source zone it is 13 to 15 degree in some cases. So, and there is some variation from 1 to 3 in some cases, from 9 to 10, 11. So, there is the variation has been done. The relative relief of first order, second order, third and fourth order basin has been shows there is a large variation, especially in case of fourth order stream. It is shown that the relative relief is in some areas is 65 to 130 meter, but is much less in case of first order or second order stream. So in conclusion, it can be said that Tara Feni river basin is characterized basically with elongated tributary flowing parallel or subparallel to the mainstream, and the drainage pattern displays a dendritic nature, and there is a low bifurcation ratio in some cases signifies a high drainage density, low permeability of the terrain, and indicate areas with uniform surface material where geology is reasonably homogeneous. The stream frequency shows a positive correlation with the drainage density, which indicates that the stream number increases with the increasing of drainage density. The quantitative measurement of morphometric attributes have been successfully analyzed, and it is shown that the catchment characteristics of the various surface process over the basin has been properly analyzed. So, thank you for your patience and giving the time to me.